Today, I want to talk to you about purposive communication, a skill so vital it underpins nearly every aspect of our lives. From personal relationships to professional success, it's not just about speaking or writing. It's about strategically crafting message to achieve specific goals. Think about it. Every time you communicate, you have a purpose, whether conscious or unconscious. You might aim to pursue, inform, entertain, or simply connect with someone. Purposive communication is about making that purpose clear and achieving it effectively. It, it's about understanding your audience, choosing the right channel, and crafting your message with precision. Let ex- let's explore some key aspects of purposive communication. Firstly, understanding your audience is paramount. Who are you communicating with? What are their needs, interests, and expectations? A message that resonates with a group of academics might fall that with a group of teenagers. Tailoring your language, tone, and delivery to your audience is crucial for achieving your goal. Secondly, choosing the right channel is equally important. A formal email might be appropriate for a business proposal, while a casual text message is better suited for a quick chat with a friend. Consider the context, the urgency, and the nature of your message when selecting your communication channel. Thirdly, crafting a clear and concise message is essential. Avoid jargon, ambiguity, and unnecessary complexity. Your message should be easily understood by your audience and directly address your purpose. Think about the structure of your message. A logical flow of information will make it more impactful. Finally, considering the feedback you received is vital. Did your communication achieve its intended purpose? Your message, analyzing the response to your communication, allows you to refine your approach and improve your skills over time. Purposive communication isn't just theor- theoretical concept. It's a practical skills that can be learned and honed by understanding your audience, understand choosing the right channel, crafting a clear message, and analyzing feedback. You can significantly improve your ability to communicate effectively and achieve your goals. Whether you're trying to secure a job, build a relationship, or simply share an idea, mastering purposive communication will empower you to connect with others, influence decisions, and make a real impact on the world. So, I encourage you to consciously consider your purpose every time you communicate and strive to make your message and as effective as possible. Thank you.